Hello everyone, and welcome to another fly tying and fly fishing newsletter here from Nordic Anglers. My name is Daniel, and today I want to show you some stuff that is finally back in stock, some really exciting news, and just to brush up on everything else that's going on in the shop. First of all, we've just received a really large shipment from Whiting, and finally we are able to supply some very key products. In particular, this one. This is the 4B Rooster Cape in white, and white Rooster Capes is something that has been sold out for ages, basically. So if you're looking for anything Whiting related, then swing by Nordic Anglers where you can see all of this. Also, we've gotten some restock on the ever popular Predator packs. These are two half capes in different colors from Whiting of the Coq de Lion. Awesome colors and combos for all your saltwater flies, but in particular for pike and perch and sanded flies as well. So back in stock finally, some awesome combinations. Really a value product. This again, that's just one of the things from Whiting. Besides all of this, there is some very exciting news from Rio. Rio has relaunched or revamped their Game Changer series, and basically they've made all the old Game Changer series now in the Elite product line, which means it has a slicker, stronger coating and a better core as well. In addition to this, they've also added two new models, which I'm very excited about. They have added intermediate Sync 2, Sync 3, which is going to be my favorite line for all the Danish salmon fishing. It's going to be, without a doubt, the best-selling salmon head in the web shop. And they've also added a Sync 5, 6, 7, which is a nice addition. Otherwise, the new ones are slowly going to replace the old ones. So they still have the floating hover intermediate. They still have the floating Sync 3, Sync 5, and the floating intermediate Sync 3. Basically, now that they have expanded this product range, you can find whatever you need in salmon shooting heads from Rio. They have cut a bit down on the different sizes, so now they are available from 400 grains to 750 grains. But the jump between the different models is 50 grains, so it's in 400, 450, 500, 550, and so on, instead of being with intervals of 25 grains. Really awesome and excellent shooting heads, and the price is the same as last year. So basically just an upgrade, a free upgrade, and some new exciting shooting heads from Rio. Also, Sage has launched a couple of new items. They have launched the R8 spay rods. We have those in stock and have sold a few of them already. They seem really nice. I've bought a few. I've actually bought two myself, and I'm looking really forward to getting out and swinging those for salmon in the upcoming season. So check them out as well. And they've also launched a new fly reel, the Spay 2 reel here, which is basically an updated design and also an updated break, available in 3 different sizes, and the color here, of course, fits perfectly with the new R8 spay rods. Really nice reel. It's not as expensive as many of the full frame reels you can otherwise get from different other companies, but it's really value for money. It's a great reel, and it basically does all that it's supposed to do. And the full frame is really nice for a salmon as well. So a nice addition to the selection that we carry at Nordic Anglers. The last thing is something I'm very excited about, but it's not as big a thing as some of the others here. But I think this is probably gonna sell, insanely well. Also, these are 3 new colors of the ever popular Easy Shrimp Eyes, the best fly tying eyes for shrimp patterns out there. And the Easy Shrimp Eyes has added 3 new colors in both sizes. They have an ultra fluorescent transparent yellow, a purple, and then a grayish one that's gonna look really awesome on in particular on really realistic patterns. So this new one is, I think, their take on making one, because they cannot make one with a pupil. Then they have basically just made this one that's gonna be awesome for really realistic patterns. So a purple one that will suit a lot of different flies, in particular night flies and stuff. The fluorescent yellow one is going to be awesome also for salmon flies, I think. But all of these are available now at Nordic Anglers in these 3 new colors with in both sizes. Oh, and of course, if you haven't done so already, we are currently having one of the biggest sales ever, where we have just marked down an insane amount of items to less than €2, 1.3 I think, and is a lot of products marked down to, and a lot of products is marked down to €2.6 as well. This is just an example of one of the orders of one of the customers we have that has really just taken advantage of this. There is just an insane amount of cool stuff in here that he has gotten very, very cheaply. This is a really big order, as you can see. There is just an insane amount of fly tying here. And this sale is something we're going to continue throughout January. So on the 1st of February, we will stop this sale and we will adjust all the prices back. So if you want to take advantage of this, there's more than 2,600 products on sale. You should swing by Nordic Anglers. Basically, we have not bundled them all in a group, so you'll have to click a bit around and see. What we've done is basically take a lot of the colors of different stuff that does not sell as well. They're still great colors and they still are very, very usable products, and we've marked some of those down. So there are just an amazing amount of products to be had at an extremely discounted prices. I mean, that sale is going to end relatively soon, sometime next week. On the 1st of February, everything is back to the original prices. So, I mean, go get some if you want some. I think that about covers it for now. The fishing here, the temperatures here in Denmark are picking up, so I'm looking forward to getting some fishing done and some more content from the water. Otherwise, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, and well, I wish you the best of luck out on the water. Thank you for watching.